Good morning, students. Now the fifth sum of chapter number 1, partnership partnership. Fifth sum from the exercise, question number 3. Question number 3 is fifth sum. Now first of all, let us read the sum. Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya. Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya, while Bajpayee receives half of share of Mehta. Now here what they receive, that is given in the question form and in the problem form. We have to solve this problem. We have to convert their problem into the numbers, and then we can get their P&L ratio. Here directly profit and loss ratio is not given. Profit of the firm at the end of the year, that is 87,500. Determine the share in profit of each partner. ये जो फोर्थ सम था वैसा सेम ही सम है. ये फोर्थ सम है, ये P&L रेशियो ये ऑलरेडी दे दिया था, इसलिए ये रेशियो से हमने 68,000 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. बट हियर इन द फिफ्थ सम P&L ratio directly is not given. We have to convert their problem. This is problem, this is question. We have to convert this question into the numbers, into the P&L ratio, and then after we distribute this 87,500 in between the partners. Okay, now let us solve this sum. Okay, now the fifth sum. There are 3 partners, Mehta, Pandya and Bajpayee. Now question इस तरह से दिया था, Mehta receives 4 times profit of Pandya. Mehta receives 4 times profit of Pandya. Now here in this sum, Mehta जो है वो Pandya का 4 times रिसीव कर रहा है, तो Pandya का तो कुछ भी दिया नहीं है शेयर, तो हम पंड्या का शेयर एज्यूम कर ले. दैट पंड्या रिसीव्स ₹1. हम 1 से ही एज्यूम करेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज हियर रेशियो बनाना है, इसलिए कैन नॉट एज्यूम हियर एज 100. सो मेहता रिसीव 4 टाइम्स प्रॉफिट ऑफ पंड्या. सो पंड्या का हमने एज्यूम कर दिया 1, तो पंड्या का 4 टाइम्स, सो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. तो मेहता कितना रिसीव करेगा? 4. The next sentence is Bajpayee receives half share of Mehta's profit. मेहता का प्रॉफिट कितना था अभी? 4. Bajpayee receives half share of Mehta's profit. So 4 multiplied by 1.5, so comes 2. So Bajpayee will receive 2. And we have assumed Pandya as 1. So now that P&L ratio is formed. So P&L ratio is equals to Mehta, Pandya, Bajpayee 4:1:2 equals to 7. ये 7, that is total. Now profit of the firm, that is 87,000 is given. Now we distribute this 87,000 in between Mehta, Pandya and Bajpayee, in between their P&L ratio, and that is 4:1:2. Okay, now let us distribute this. Okay, now I have distributed this 87,000 is 4:1:2. So Mehta 87,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4/7 कम्स 50,000. मेहता को मिलेंगे 50,000. 87,000 में से 50,000 पंड्या. 87,500 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1/7, सो 12,500. Bajpayee 87,500 इंटू 2/7, सो 25,000. ये इनका जो रेशियो है उसमें ही हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, ना कि दूसरे के रेशियो में. मेहता का 4 है तो 4/7, 7 आया. 4 + 1 + 2 कम्स 7. पंड्या शेयर, दैट इज़ 1, सो 1/7. Bajpayee शेयर, दैट इज़ 2, सो 2/7. So this is how we can calculate and we can distribute firm's profit in between the partners. I hope you understand this sum.